This is a Figma design for the app, and I want to transfer it to the bubble. So I have done already some bits and pieces. First, I have added pop-up by clicking pop-up. Here it is. Adding pop-up, then renaming it to the sign-up pop-up, changing the type of content to user and current user. And what is important also, I have changed the layout to column and have made it a bit flexible, with from 320 to 500 and height 600, but actually I will change it to 0 and it will fit to the content. Then I have created another group. If we go to the elements tree, then I have group main, which I also have set as column and have made it a bit flexible from 0 to 280 pixels and fitting to content. And I have added gap spacing of 40 pixels. I have some groups. So first group is header. I can actually change it to header. And here is some text, login text, welcome text, which I will be covering those multi-language text entries in another video. But here you could also have just simple text in one language, if it's, for example, English. And here I have also centered this text using rich text editor by centering and saving. The same is done for the header. And then I have two frames. So frame email group. This is aligned parent group, which allows overlay of this subgroup. So within this frame email, I have one group, which is just a group with some framing around and some specific padding and margins. And within that group, I have input field where placeholder is again multi-language app text. Type your email, and type of this is email. Another group, which is put on top of this frame group, is consisting of group with some specific style, which is white background, so it is over my frame line, and then it consists of some text which is saying email, and there is another group, similar group frame. If we look for password frame, then the logic is pretty similar. And in addition, I have added some text for password change and up text login. If you look at this, then I'm currently skipping this part for social media and Google logins. I will be adding don't have account sign up. I will just copy this text and add to the sign up pop-up. Actually, we still want to put it within this main group, so I will be dragging it into the group and we'll make it as the last one, and we'll center it. And most probably I want to change it to more bright text itself, to don't have an account. So and this is just okay. Most probably I don't have such a text ID yet, so I will put it in. I want to have also sign up, so I will copy this the same text and change to sign up. I will put it in, and I will change the style to link text. So now I want to group those two in a row, and definitely change the settings here. Let's see, and we might want some column gap, like 5 maybe, 5 pixels, so that these texts are a bit apart from each other. I want to center it. Currently the text don't have an account is with different size than the link text, or it just looks like a link. It's currently not a link. I want those texts to be changing. And next thing what we will do is working with custom states to create 2 states, one for login and the other for sign up. What about workflows? Firstly, what I did, if we go back to editor, I can show you that in the pop-up, under icon I created a new custom state by pushing add new custom state, which will be named login. It will be true or false, and default value will be login. So primary view will be login, and then I worked with this custom state and changed each text where I want some change if it's actually not a login but a sign up custom state. So under conditions, I added a new condition. When sign up login is no, then I'm changing this text to sign up. So I did also similarly for the button, that button text changes, and also for this group, for each text block there is this condition that it's changing. So in case user presses this group where it says question, do you have an account, and you want to change to sign up, then the new workflow starts. This group toggle is no, then this pop-up sign up custom state is no, then it means we are in sign up custom state and we want to go back to login, yes. However, if it's yes and it's login custom state, then I'm changing to no, to a sign up. Final thing is to create also the workflows for the button click. So let me show you that what are workflows for this button. So let me color the button in say orange. So we have two workflows associated to button click. So first one is if the custom state of pop-up is no, then we know we need to sign up the customer. So its workflow signs the user up with taking email, password, and then redirecting to another page. However, if it's new existing customer and login custom state is yes, then we are logging in the user using those same input fields. We also created a header where I have included two buttons so that the user can actually choose which stream he wants to pursue. If it's existing user, he will choose login. So by clicking on this button, what I will do, I will set the state of the pop-up to login yes and show the pop-up, and it will already have this custom state of login yes. There is new user, he will choose sign up button, and custom state will be set to no, and then the pop-up will show up. Creating simple workflows for sign up.